To the technical analysis module of Mentored Research. I am Balakrishna Sadekar and I will be teaching the course. I am the founder of Profitable Candlestick Charting, which is an educational website. We teach traders on how to trade the markets. I'm also the author of How to Make Money Trading with Candlestick Charts. It's one of the bestsellers of Vision Books publications in India. And hopefully my second book is coming out this year sometime, which is on advanced candlestick charting. And I have been teaching traders for about 8 years now. So that experience has helped me design this course for you all. So I'm hoping that by the end of this course you will have a deeper understanding of what technical analysis is and how to use it in the markets. And hopefully some of you will want to pursue your passions for the market and make a career in the markets, whether be it as a financial advisor or wealth management. Hopefully, some of you will do that. So I will look forward to interacting with you over the coming weeks, and good luck.